carrot for our vegetable. So, yun lang. So, yan ang ingredients natin sa ating spring roll. We have carrots, ground beef, we have onion, and of course, we have our spring roll wrap, and salt and vegetable oil lang tayo. So, yan na siya. It's brownish na. And then, we're going to add our ground beef. Now then we will add the garlic salt. Then we will add our carrots. Ayan guys. Ayan, nakabili ako ng spring roll guys sa Chinese store long time ago. So, ayan, gagawin natin ngayon is a spring roll. Meron lang ako 1 pound na 80% lean meat and 20% fats. Walang 100% luto eh. And then, maraming carrots. So, ayan siya. While we're reheating our oil, we are heating our oil, guys. All we have to do is to make our spring roll. So, in order not to, ang spring roll ninyo, not to get dry, you cover it. Cover it with damp towel. Ayan. So this is our 10th. So yan. So ako guys, if I make this, I don't want to be perfect. It's not for sale, right? So just like Okay, our food is ready, people. Ayan. So all the oil will be there. Are you hungry, Dad? Everybody's hungry. And this is our favorite food, guys. This is our favorite food. Favorite Filipino food. We can find this one in one of those Thai restaurants. They have this, I think, in all Asian restaurants. You can find this one though. Yay! It's ready! Okay guys, since we're running out of sweet and sour sauce, all I have to do is to use this one. We're going to use the stevia sugar. So, yeah. Sugar. And we'll add our vinegar. Maybe 1/4 of the vinegar, and then we add our soy sauce. And since we like the hot, guys, so all you have to do is to use the hot sauce. So this is it. So easy. Sugar, vinegar, hot CHIRACHA, and soy sauce. Yeah. Oh yeah. For everybody. So this is our sweet and sour sauce. If you have garlic, guys, add garlic. Okay guys, good afternoon. So this is our late lunch and early dinner. We have here a very yummy, no, it's not hot anymore. I made this sweet and sour sauce, you know. This is spring roll. Yummy spring roll. Anybody?
Did you put sriracha in the first one?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you think the spicy one? How do you think it was spicy?
I thought it was just vinegars.
No? You want spicy? Ako, spicy.
Not now. Not now.
This, guys, this tomato that I have here is an old tomato. It's not really old, but you know, it's a week old maybe inside our refrigerator. And then I don't like tomato that's really soft when you make it and mix it with salad. So what I did is make into a tomato soup. Well, if you have tomato soup, make sure you have your crackers. So we have this, guys. So ayan, naubos namin si oh my gosh, guys, it's empty, guys. We really devoured 18 pieces of those spring rolls. Well, it's yummy though. And it's not really a small one, it's big. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.